dapat may ano eh.
Bakit?
See the tree, how big and slow, but friend has a friend alone. It wasn't me. I love until she got there. The first day that she planted was just a tree. Then the first snow came and she ran out to frost the snow away to do the time. I'm running and all excited, sleeping and all was heart-sick, and I love when I cry. She was always on my turn, in the dark and in the snow. I love her so. And I surprised her with a puppy, keep me up for Christmas Eve 2 years ago. And it was sure right asleep when I think from working late, those I would know. That she's been sitting there crying over some sad and saying they made sure. And honey, I miss you, and I'm being good. And I love to be with you. If only I could. She left the car and she was sad and so afraid that I would run. But what the heck? Though I pretended hard to be, this little says you're true to me and have my name. I came home unexpectedly and put the cry endlessly in the middle of the day. And it was in the early spring when flowers bloom and robins sing, she went away. And honey, I miss you, and I'm being good. I love to be with you. If only I could. One day while I was at home, while she was there and all alone, dying just saying. Now all I have is memories of honey, and I make up nice and call her name. An empty space where I live and I live and love you all. And as moon clouds passes overhead and flies down on the flowers bed that I love. And see the tree, how big and slow, but